On the previous slide, you should have seen this math tip that says you drew angle HBP and angle HAX so that they have the same measure. Identify the relationship between these two angles to help you answer question or item number 3. And here's the question that we have. The question says, for which converse from item number 1 does your drawing from item number 2 provide support, and explain? And again, this is, the third chunk of our lesson, which is question number 3 only. Now, if you go back in question number 1, we have same side interior. Remember, that is if we have same side interior angles being supplementary. Well, seeing how I created angles that were equal to each other, it can't be supplementary. So I'm either down to B or C automatically. Okay, would these have been alternate interior angles that are congruent, or are these corresponding angles that are congruent? Based on the picture here, I have this angle and this angle. Now, ultimately, I think we're going to try to prove that these two lines are parallel, but these are on the same side of the transversal, and one's in between the parallel lines and one is outside. So I'm going to assume that this is what? Go ahead and take 5 minutes to pause your video and answer question number 3 only. Which one were we proving, or which do we support here? Go ahead, pause your video. As you can see, the answer to questions number 3 has been provided. It states that the angle of BHP the angle of HBP and HAX are congruent corresponding angles. They're congruent because we originally set them equal to each other. And these were formed by line PJ, line XY, and that transversal, which was the gas line. PJ appears to be parallel to XY, so the evidence provides support for the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. On to your debriefing question.